Hello everyone, here you are listening to Currently First Podcast. And today we're gonna talk about the benefits of contraception. Most of us may already hear and know about it, but let's mention it with the story of Caroline. Jane went to visit her friend Caroline just because she gave birth. They had not met for a long time and were happy to see each other again. But Jane noticed that Caroline seemed to be having a hard time with the baby because she is the only one raising and caring for the children after her husband left for work. As a best friend, Caroline says that she and her husband didn't expect to get pregnant, but they had to give birth to the baby. As their conversation went well, Jane suggests Caroline to use contraception. However, Caroline didn't seem to be impressed. Even she tried to tell her its benefits. Contraception helps women and couples decide freely and responsibly if they want to have children, when and how many. It is also an excellent method of birth control and protects against various diseases like cancer. Healthcare providers can help women to choose the best contraception to use. A few months later, she reached out to Jane to help her and her husband in use of contraception. Caroline and her husband are grateful for the benefits they have received from using contraception. They have no doubts about the possibility of unwanted pregnancy again. Thank you for listening and look for talking to you next time.